Imagine stepping onto a luxurious cruise ship, the ocean breeze in your hair, a tropical drink in hand, and the promise of adventure ahead, all without breaking the bank or wasting a single moment of your vacation. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, friends, I'm here to let you in on a little secret. You can make your 2025 cruise unforgettable, save big, and sail smarter than ever before. Cruise lines may not advertise these tricks, but today, I'm spilling the tea with 15 game-changing cruise hacks that will transform your experience. From slashing costs to maximizing fun, these tips will have you cruising like a pro. And, trust me, you'll want to stick around for hack number 3. It's a total game changer. Plus, I've got a bonus hack at the end that's pure gold. Ready to make your next cruise the best yet? Let's dive in, and don't forget to share your favorite hack in the comments below to help other cruisers sail smart. Hack number 15. Book early for the best deals. Cruise lines in 2025 are rolling out incredible itineraries, but the best cabins and prices go fast. Booking your cruise 12 to 18 months in advance can save you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars. Early bird deals often include perks like free drink packages, onboard credit, or discounted excursions, extras that disappear closer to the sailing date. For example, lines like Royal Caribbean and Norwegian offer wave season promotions in January and February with steep discounts. Use fare tracking tools like Cruise Critic or set price alerts on booking sites to snag the lowest rates. Booking early also means you get first pick of cabins, so you can choose a prime location near the pool or away from noisy areas. Don't wait for last-minute deals. They're rare in 2025 due to high demand. Plan ahead, and your wallet will thank you. Hack number 14. Choose the right cabin for your budget. Picking the right cabin can make or break your cruise experience, and cruise lines don't always make it easy to find the best value. In 2025, ships like Carnival's Mardi Gras or MSC's World Europa offer everything from budget-friendly interior cabins to lavish suites with private hot tubs. But here's the hack: go for a guarantee cabin. This means you choose a category, like inside or balcony, but let the cruise line assign the exact room later, often at a lower price. You might end up with a better cabin than you paid for. Also, study the ship's deck plan on the cruise line's website to avoid cabins near noisy areas like elevators or nightclubs. Midship cabins on lower decks are often cheaper and feel less motion, perfect for first-timers prone to seasickness. Save big by being strategic, and you'll have more to spend on onboard fun. Hack number 13. Leverage the cruise line app. Every major cruise line in 2025, like Princess, Celebrity, or Disney, has a mobile app that's your ticket to a seamless vacation, yet many cruisers overlook it. These apps let you book dining, excursions, and shows before you board, saving you from long lines at guest services. For instance, Royal Caribbean's app allows you to check in online, track your luggage, and even order drinks to your pool chair. You can also view real-time schedules, deck maps, and your onboard account to avoid overspending. Download the app as soon as you book and log in to make reservations the moment your booking window opens, sometimes months in advance. This hack saves hours of waiting and ensures you get spots for must-do activities like a chef's table dinner or a zipline session. Stay one step ahead with the app, and you'll maximize every moment on board. Hack number 12. Watch out for hack number 3. Before we dive into the next tip, let me give you a heads up. Hack number 3 is a total game changer that cruise lines really don't want you to know about. It's a sneaky way to save big on one of the priciest parts of your cruise, and it's so simple you'll wish you'd known it sooner. Keep it locked in your mind as we go through these hacks, because when we get to number 3, you're going to be blown away. Alright, let's keep moving with more ways to sail smart in 2025. Hack number 11. Pack smart to avoid fees and hassle. Overpacking is a rookie mistake that can cost you time and money. Cruise lines in 2025, like Holland America and Cunard, have strict luggage policies, and exceeding weight limits can lead to hefty fees at the port. Plus, cramped cabins make unpacking a nightmare if you bring too much. The hack? Pack light and smart. Stick to a capsule wardrobe, versatile pieces you can mix and match for casual days, formal nights, and shore excursions. Use packing cubes to organize and bring a collapsible tote for souvenirs. Most ships offer laundry services or self-service laundromats, so you only need enough clothes for half your trip. Also, pack essentials like sunscreen and medications in your carry-on to avoid delays if luggage delivery is slow on embarkation day. A lean suitcase means less stress and more time enjoying the ship. Hack number 10. Skip the overpriced drink packages. Drink packages can seem like a great deal, but in 2025, they often cost $60 to $100 per person per day on lines like Carnival or Norwegian. If you're not a heavy drinker, these packages are a money pit. Instead, bring your own drinks where allowed. Most cruise lines permit 1 bottle of wine or champagne per adult. Check the policy first. You can also buy drinks individually at bars or opt for free beverages like water, tea, and coffee included in your fare. For example, Disney Cruise Line offers free soda at deck stations, a perk many miss. If you do want a package, split it with a travel companion or wait for onboard promotions, which sometimes drop prices mid-cruise. By being strategic, you'll sip your way to savings without overspending. Hack number 9. Book shore excursions independently. Cruise line shore excursions are convenient, but often overpriced and overcrowded. In 2025, a cruise-organized snorkeling trip in the Caribbean might cost $100 per person, while a similar tour booked independently through a reputable operator like Viator or TripAdvisor could be half that. The hack is to research and book your own excursions in advance. Check reviews on sites like Cruise Critic to ensure the operator is reliable and will get you back to the ship on time. Popular ports like Cozumel or Nassau have plenty of local guides offering personalized tours with smaller groups, saving you money and time spent waiting for a big bus to fill up. Just confirm the tour's schedule aligns with your ship's port time to avoid missing the all-aboard call. This hack gives you richer experiences at a fraction of the cost. Hack number 8. Eat at off-peak times. Buffets and main dining rooms get packed during peak hours. Think 7:30 to 9 a.m. for breakfast and 6 to 7:30 p.m. for dinner. In 2025, ships like Icon of the Seas carry thousands of passengers, making lines a major time suck. Waiting 20 minutes for a plate of pancakes or a table at dinner eats into your vacation fun. The hack? Dine during off-peak hours, like early breakfast at 6:30 a.m. or late dinner at 8:30 p.m. You'll breeze through lines and enjoy a more relaxed meal. Alternatively, explore smaller venues like cafes or poolside grills, which are less crowded. For example, Carnival's Guy's Pig and Anchor offers quick barbecue, while Princess's International Cafe has grab-and-go snacks. Timing your meals smartly means more time for trivia, shows, or just soaking in the ocean views. Hack number 7. Use onboard credit wisely. Many cruise bookings in 2025 come with onboard credit, free money to spend on the ship, but it's easy to waste it on overpriced trinkets or spa treatments. The hack is to use your credit strategically for high-value experiences that enhance your trip. For instance, apply it towards specialty dining at restaurants like Royal Caribbean's Wonderland or MSC's Butcher's Cut, where a $40 meal feels like a splurge without touching your wallet. You can also use credit for shore excursions or Wi-Fi packages, which are pricier purchases. Check your onboard account daily via the cruise app to track your credit and avoid letting it expire. Most lines don't refund unused amounts. By prioritizing credit for meaningful upgrades, you'll stretch its value and enjoy premium perks for free. Hack number 6. Skip the casino for better entertainment. Cruise ship casinos are tempting with their flashing lights and promises of big wins, but they're designed to keep you spending and losing time and money. In 2025, ships like Norwegian's Prima feature sprawling casinos, but the odds are stacked against you. Instead of wasting hours at the slots, explore the ship's free entertainment, which is often world-class. From Broadway-style shows on Disney's Iconic to live music on Viking's ocean ships, there's no shortage of fun that won't cost you a dime. If you must gamble, set a strict budget and time limit to avoid getting sucked in. Redirecting your energy to included activities saves money and ensures you're making memories instead of chasing losses. Hack number 5. Negotiate spa deals on board. Spa treatments on cruise ships are luxurious, but pricey, with massages often costing $150 or more. Cruise lines don't advertise this, but you can score discounts by booking spa services on port days or during onboard promotions. In 2025, spas on lines like Celebrity or Holland America are quieter when the ship is docked, as most passengers are ashore. Visit the spa on embarkation day to ask about specials or package deals, like a massage and facial combo. Some lines also offer discounts mid-cruise to fill empty slots. Check the daily newsletter or app for flash sales. If you're flexible with timing, politely ask the spa staff if they can offer a deal. This hack lets you indulge in relaxation without the sticker shock. Hack number 4. Bring your own reusable bottle. Beverage costs add up fast, and cruise lines charge a premium for bottled water, sometimes $5 a pop. The hack? Bring a reusable water bottle and refill it at free water stations on the ship. In 2025, most cruise lines, like Princess and Carnival, have filtered water dispensers in buffets and gyms, and tap water in your cabin is safe to drink. A collapsible or insulated bottle is easy to pack and keeps drinks cold during shore excursions. Some lines, like Disney, even have soda fountains included in your fare, so you can refill with free soft drinks. This small move saves you from racking up a huge bill on bottled drinks and keeps you hydrated for all your cruise adventures. Hack number 3. Use a travel agent for hidden perks. Here's the big one you've been waiting for: the hack cruise lines really don't want you to know. Booking through a travel agent specializing in cruises can unlock exclusive perks that aren't available when you book directly with the cruise line. In 2025, agents with partnerships at lines like Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, or MSC often get access to unpublished discounts, extra onboard credit, or free upgrades. For example, an agent might score you $200 in credit or a free drink package on a 7-day cruise, just for booking through them. These perks are rarely advertised on cruise line websites, as they're reserved for agency partners. Find a reputable agent through sites like Cruise Planners or Avoya Travel and ask about group rates or special promotions. This hack can save you hundreds while adding value to your trip. Don't skip it. Hack number 2. Join loyalty programs for free benefits. Cruise lines in 2025 reward repeat customers through loyalty programs, and you don't need to be a frequent cruiser to benefit. Programs like Carnival's VIFP Club, Royal Caribbean's Crown and Anchor Society, or Princess's Captain Circle offer perks even after your first cruise. Sign up before you sail, it's free, and you might get priority boarding, discounts on Wi-Fi, or exclusive invitations to onboard events. For example, Norwegian's Latitudes program gives members a free bottle of wine after their first cruise. If you've cruised with a line before, link your past sailings to your account to unlock higher-tier benefits. These small perks add up, saving you money and time while making you feel like a VIP. Hack number 1. Arrive a day early in your port city. Embarkation day can be stressful, with long lines and tight schedules, especially if your flight or train is delayed. The hack? Arrive in your departure port city a day early. In 2025, major cruise ports like Miami, Barcelona, or Southampton are busy, and missing the ship's departure means missing your entire vacation. By arriving early, you avoid the risk of travel disruptions and get a chance to explore the port city. Think South Beach in Miami or the Gothic Quarter in Barcelona. Book a hotel near the cruise terminal for convenience, and use sites like Expedia to find deals with free shuttle services to the port. This hack ensures a smooth start to your cruise and gives you bonus time to kick off your vacation vibe. Bonus hack: use social media for last-minute deals. Here's a bonus hack to top it all off. Cruise lines in 2025 are active on social media platforms like X, where they sometimes post flash sales or last-minute deals that aren't widely advertised. Follow your favorite cruise lines and search for hashtags like #CruiseDeals or #Cruise2025 to spot promotions. For example, MSC Cruises might tweet about a 48-hour sale with 50% off balcony cabins, or Carnival could post a deal with free upgrades. Join cruise focus groups on platforms like Facebook to get tips from fellow travelers and alerts about unadvertised offers. This hack requires a bit of vigilance, but it can lead to massive savings or perks that make your cruise even sweeter. your blueprint for an epic 2025 cruise. There you have it, friends, 15 plus 1 bonus cruise hacks for 2025 that will help you save big and sail smart. From booking early to leveraging travel agents and skipping overpriced extras, these tips are your secret weapon for an unforgettable cruise without the hefty price tag. Hack number 3. Using a travel agent for hidden perks is a must-try, but all these tricks will make you feel like a cruising genius. Your dream vacation is within reach, so put these hacks to work and get ready for smooth sailing. Don't forget to share your favorite hack in the comments below, and let's help each other make 2025 the best cruise year yet. Bon voyage and happy cruising!